Looks like Venice, huh?
Look at that grass.
Yeah, wow, that's
The
crazy.
sidewalk's underwater.
We're still pretty good though. We've got it would have to come up another foot before it would enter the garage even. Oh, man, that's a lot of water.
Yeah. Can I go to the park?
Go ahead, run out there. I want to see how deep it is on you. Go ahead. Look for cars. There's none coming. Go ahead. Oh no, our dolphins. Forgot our dolphins. Let's go see this truck. You said there's an abandoned truck up there. Yeah. Man, this is wild. Totally wild. I've never seen anything like this, except, you know, on TV. Crazy. So the pond has just expanded to the whole neighborhood. What's that? No, it's not mine. Man, he could tow some water skis.